Hi, very good afternoon to all. My name is Bhavna and our subject is Business Economics. This is for BBA students for first year in first semester. In this previous lecture, we discuss short-run production function laws, what are the isocons curve and isocost curve. Up to now, we complete our third unit. I will show the syllabus paper. This is our syllabus paper. We complete first unit business economics nature and scope. Each and every topic I cover in a clear way. If you have any doubts, please let me know, and you think the ma'am is not cover this concept, then also you can tell me. I check it out. Next, demand concept and elasticity of demand. This also we completed. Every topic I cover. Next, production and cost concepts. Yesterday we completed the third unit. Today we are starting our fourth unit, that is budget line. It is our 4 units up to 3 units. The students, if you have any doubts and you are not able to a particular concept, please let me know. I definitely clarify your doubts. And today we are entering and today we are discussing our fourth unit, that is budget line. In this budget line, let's see here. There are different cost concept, cost classification, short run cost curves, long run cost curves, experience curve, and economics and diseconomics to scale, economics of scope. This is our fourth unit, and today our starting with some basic introduction about the cost concepts. What is the cost and what are the determinants of the cost and what are the cost function. Up to now we discuss in today's class. Let's see here. Cost. Cost is the all monetary expenses by a manufacturer to produce a goods or services. Cost means, suppose we want to produce a product. Suppose I want to produce this pen. For the production of this pen, I required some raw materials. I required some plastic and I required some ink, like that. So for this production, I required some raw materials. For how much cost I incurred for the production of the pen? The total cost, you can say it is the cost. Suppose for the production of this one pen, the cost is for 10 rupees for me. So I want to produce 100 pens. So 100 into 10, 1000. 1000 is my cost. For that cost, we have to add profit and sell to the consumers. I hope you understand. Cost means for the production of any object or anything, how much cost we are required for production. Like we take the labor cost, we take the material cost, we take the production cost, we take the technology cost, we take the building rent, whatever it may be, complete all the cost comes under this production. Then we can add some profit, we sell to our customers. So cost is the all monetary expenses by the manufacturer to produce a goods and services. It is a monetary expenses, means we have to pay money. So we can say it is a monetary expenses that a manufacturer can bear for the production of a thing. Suppose we want to see an example. This is the all ones packet. For the production, I think the cost is 625. See that this is the cost of 625. For that it include profit, means for the production of the packet it costs 625. Means not only cost, in this cost they include profit. So whatever in this cost matters, the packaging, the labeling or the complete quantity, everything will come under this cost. What is the cost of this packet? It is 625. Means in this cost it include profit also, but in manufacturing concern, only up to the how much cost he has incurred for the production of any particular good, we can say it is a cost. At the same time, in a business where the nature of a product requires heavy selling and distribution of expenses. Suppose first we are introducing a new product to the market. We are producing some different product to the market. So about the product, they don't know anything about the customers. So they are unable to buy the product. For that reason, we have to give some advertisement in TVs, in televisions, in radios, like posters, whatever the way may be. We have to give some advertisements to create awareness about the product. For that also we incur some cost. We say it is also the cost of the product only. You can say it is an indirect cost. So indirect cost also have to be added to the particular product only. At the same time, in a business where the nature of a product requires heavy selling and distribution expenses. For selling and distribution, we want to sell the product, we want to distribute the product also, we have to incur some expenses. While we want to selling the product, we appoint a person, that is salesman, we have to give salary to the particular person. So like this, they are like indirect expenses, lot of there for selling and distribution of our product. The cost may be a factor cost, office cost, and cost of sales. It may be a factor. Up to the factor, we have to factor cost. Office cost means we can say it is an indirect expenses, that is packaging, labeling cost, advertising cost, transport cost, whatever it may be, and cost of sales. Cost of sales means how much cost required for selling of a particular product, even an item of an expenses. So these costs are included in the particular product. Next, prime cost includes expenditure on direct materials, direct labor, and direct expenses. Prime cost, what is the prime cost? You know that it includes direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses. We can say prime cost. In next, all these costs are these are direct costs. Next, these factor cost and selling and distribution cost. These are all the indirect costs. The indirect cost. This is about the cost. What is the cost? Cost is all the monetary expenses by a manufacturer to produce a goods or services. It is a monetary expenses by a producer to produce for a product. How much cost he has incurred for production of this product, or he want to give some services, home delivery like these services. How much cost we are incurring for the services? These are all come under the cost. And at the same time, in a business where the nature of a product requires, where there is any product requires heavy selling and distribution expenses also. Next, the cost may be a factor cost. The cost may be a factor cost, office cost, or cost of sales, and even item of expenses. Prime cost means complete direct cost, where how much how much material you are purchasing, how much for that labor, how much you are paying to the labor, and how much direct expenses like direct. What is the direct expenses like? Up to the factory, we can say it is a direct expense. How much wages we are paying, and these are comes under the prime cost. What is the meaning of cost? Cost refers to the expenditure of a fund or use of property to acquire or produce a product or service. Meaning means while we have to produce any product, for that product how much cost we are incurred is comes under the cost. Cost refers to the expenditure of funds. Expenditure of funds means, suppose we want to produce one of the product. For that product we require some raw materials. We have to purchase the raw materials. For that, how much cost we are incurred for purchasing the raw materials, and from the raw materials to finished goods, for into the process, how much cost we are incurring from it converted into finished good. These are all come under the cost. It also refers all monetary expenses incurred by the manufacturer to produce a goods or services. Already we discussed, we can say it is all monetary expenses. How much cost, how much money we are spent for producing the particular product, we can say it is the cost. It includes direct cost, indirect cost. Direct cost means directly we can show. Indirect cost means like traveling expenses, like packaging, like labeling, like advertising, selling and distribution. These are the indirect expenses. What are the direct expenses? They are the wages, purchase of raw material. These are comes under the direct expenses. What is the cost? Cost is the monetary expense by a manufacturer to produce a goods or services. At the same time, we can say while we want to while you produce a product, we want to sell the product into the market, you need some selling and distribution expenses, and also you need some advertisement expenses, because the customers unable to know the product. So to create awareness about our product, we have to give some advertisements like in televisions, in radio, or some like wall posters, etc. For this also we incur some cost, and we have to sell our goods through an agent, like middle person. We have to give commission. These are also come under the indirect cost. What is the prime cost? Direct material, direct labor, and direct wages we are come under this prime cost. And meaning, cost refers to the expenditure of funds or use of property to acquire, to produce. For the production of a product, we have to produce a product. How much cost we are incurring, we can say it is a cost. And it also refers all monetary expenses incurred by the manufacturer to produce. How much monetary means for production of a product, we spend some money. That money have to be measured in monetary terms. Suppose I want to produce this particular product. For that product I incurred 500 rupees. So what is the cost? The cost is 500 rupees, but the cost does not include profit. Cost include only how much money it will take for the production of the product, up to the cost only. It does not include the profit. I hope you understand this lecture about the definition and what is the cost and what is the meaning and definition of the cost. If you have any doubts, please let me know.